Have you ever been told just be happy? We think that happiness is the ultimate pinnacle of well being. Happy has become a metric. Well, just be happy for many can feel dismissive and or unhelpful. That's because the word happy doesn't fully describe well-being. Psychologist Martin Seligman says that what's more helpful are words like engaged, proud, meaningful, hopeful, and connected. These words come from his PERMA model that outlines 5 core elements of well being: positive emotions, engagement, relationships, meaning, and accomplishment. So, what if instead of asking, how can we be happy, we ask, how can we be engaged, be proud, have meaning, be hopeful, be connected? When we do this, we have more specifics to pursue well being. We can figure out what engaged looks like for us. We can do things that would make us proud or give us meaning. And we can decide what hopeful or connected means for us. Much more definable and actionable than happy, right? So we can help ourselves and our people pursue happiness by giving them these anchors. Which one do you feel drawn to explore first? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider signing up in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.